I never shy away from showing off. Showing off is not everybody's cup of tea. I'm just like a wild weed. You know, if you cut it, you grow more.
I have almost 2,000 DVDs, and all these DVDs one must watch before they die.
He lives the life king size.
आज ये सोच के बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जो एक पुराना साइकिल के लिए 6 भाई भागता था, आज उसका बेटा मर्सिडीज चढ़ता है, BMW चढ़ता है.
We used to study in kerosene lamp. There were crises many times, food crises, the drought, the flooding, bad crops. We are lucky that we could survive. I was very inquisitive what was there inside the machine. So I used to break and used to repair. If somebody humiliates you, don't react to that humiliations. Rather, you try to go into introspection that why. So the first time in PGI history that somebody who had just finished a day before MD medicine got selected into DM cardiology.
Even during a lunch session, he is with the stethoscope.
He's selfless.
He knows when to take that risk.
আমি ওকে ভগবান বলি মনে করি, ও আমাদের কাছে দেবতা ভাই বোনদের কাছে।
एक इंसान के अंदर जो क्वालिटी होना चाहिए उसके अंदर है, काइंडनेस, करेज, इंटेलिजेंस.
He is our hero. He will be our hero.
দাদা গ্রামের ছেলে, গ্রামের মতনই জিজ্ঞাসা করে, গ্রামের মতনই থাকে, গ্রামের মতনই ডাক্তারি করে।